Oregon State University is helping strengthen the state's wildfire resilience through a new lab dedicated to testing the effects of wildfire smoke on wine grapes. KEZI 9 News reporter Joey Vaca shows us why this research is so important for our state and how it could be applied in other areas.
With each new fire season, Oregon is learning how to best respond, but also how to prepare. It even applies to the state's wine industry. After 2020's devastating fire season exposed the need for a more efficient way to test wildfire smoke's effects on grapes, growers convinced the state to invest in a new state-of-the-art lab at Oregon State University. Elizabeth Tomasino, a professor at OSU, says when it comes to wildfire preparation and resilience, the wine industry has been a driving force in this research.
So there's been a great response, particularly after we had a few seasons and it's like this is not going away, and it is a problem. And again, everyone is working towards the same goal of there's going to be a fire, but you're not going to have to worry about it eventually. But it will take quite a lot of work and time to get there.
The effects of wildfire smoke on wine grapes may not be felt immediately, but the research being done at Oregon State is important to make sure people don't feel those effects down the road.
2020, when we didn't have a lot of sun for more than a month, I know that impacted some other industries with quality. So we have to think a little more long-term impacts to make sure we can have the crop that we're looking for that year, and we don't have these years where, oh, you can't get raspberries or you can't get this or there's not going to be any wine.
And using their lab's research to get ahead of the effects will benefit consumers, but also growers, because growers are the ones who need to decide whether to harvest a crop or not.
It has really significant economic impacts for the grower all the way through to the winery. Do we produce this wine? What tier is it going to go into? How are we going to market it? Those are all have economic impacts along the way.
Tomasino says this research can actually be applied to other crops to help create different resilient food systems across the state. Reporting in Corvallis, Joey Vaca, KEZI 9 News.